Do you need to find out how to Bluetooth connect your mobile phone to a Jaguar XF? Then check out this video. Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video, and today I'm sat in a 2014 Jaguar XF and I'm going to be showing you how to Bluetooth connect your mobile phone to the entertainment system so you can play music and also make and receive phone calls. So nice and simple to do. We are going to need to go ahead and turn our Bluetooth on, just like that on your phone. It depends if you've got Android or Apple. I'm obviously an Android user. And then we're going to go ahead and we'll just tap on the phone button there. Now, because nothing's connected at the moment, it will show you the current device list. Now, if you've currently got too many devices saved there, you may have to delete one, and that's nice and simple to do. So I'm just going to delete that one there. And that's saying I don't want to delete that. Yes, I do, because that's an old phone. So it's actually already detected a new phone, so we can go to search new up the top there. And now you can either connect the car to your phone or actually your phone to the car. So I actually find it a lot easier to do the phone to the car, so I'd go device to vehicle, and then that gives me 3 minutes there to actually search for it on my phone. So what I can do is I can just scan with my phone now, and that's just scanning for any local Bluetooth devices. And down the bottom there we've actually got this one here, which after a while will actually come up with the name. There you go, it's come up now saying Jaguar XF. I'm going to go ahead and tap on that. So it's now trying to pair with the screen, and it's just going to ask me for a code. This can be any code, so often it's easy just to go 0000 and then hit pair. Now what that's going to do is give you a prompt up here, yes I want to pair, and then you're just going to have to put in that matching code, so 0000 and then hit OK. So that's now pairing the phone, but it should come up with a couple of prompts in a second. So there you go, it's just saying do you want to allow access, so yes I do, so that's for contacts, and then just hit yes or no to either of those. And now that is actually downloading my phone book to the car. So it may take a little while, but once I hit phone book, so it's already got all of my contacts in there. Or I can go to last 10 and then it's calls dialed, calls received or calls missed. Or you can actually just use the digit dial pad as well if you know the phone number. So there you go, that'll actually remember the settings, and each time I get in the car, as long as I've got my Bluetooth on the phone, it will actually remember the settings and just connect your phone, so you don't have to do that every time. So there you go, nice quick easy video for you today. I hope you found that helpful. If you did, go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.